To be equals.
olmaq.
English Azerbaijani essentials with laughs. Welcome. Hey, good to have you here. Let's kick off your Azerbaijani with confidence and a grin. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to speaking faster. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for free lessons, drills, and more goodies. Today you'll nail English, to be, and its Azerbaijani powerhouse.
olmaq.
Through jokes, mini dialogues, and quick wins. Your goal today. You'll map simple identities from English to Azerbaijani, short, sweet, and sticky. English, to be. Azerbaijani.
olmaq.
I am.
Men am.
You are, singular. Pattern.
Sen.
He is.
Odur.
Also pointing, identifying.
Odur.
Closing parenthesis dot. She is.
O.
It is.
Odur.
We are.
Bizik.
You are, plural, formal.
Sizsiniz.
They are.
Onlar.
German reference, for orientation, sign, ich bin, du bist, ist, sei ist, es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind. Quick dialogue. Listen and repeat, nice and easy. Imagine you're at the door with a smile. A. Who's there? B.
Men am.
I am. A. And the winner is B.
Odur.
It's him, her, that one. A. Are we late? B. No, you are ready.
Sen hazırsan.
A. Is he here? B. Yes.
O buradadır.
She?
O.
A. What is it? B.
Odur. O sirridir.
It is a secret. A. Who are the champions? B. We.
Bizik.
You all.
Sizsiniz.
Actually, the big trophy goes to them.
Onlar.
Forms in a flash. Here's your cheat sheet, short, sticky, and powerful. Anchor forms.
Men am. Sen. Odur.
Slash.
O. Bizik. Sizsiniz. Onlar.
Point to identify one specific person.
Odur.
Equals, it's that person. Base verb.
Olmaq.
To be, become. Time travel note. Past.
İdi.
Future.
Olacak.
Call and response drill. You repeat after me, loud and proud. I'll cue, you answer. Say, I am.
Men am.
Say, you are, singular, with the pattern.
Sen.
For example, you are right.
Sen haklısın.
Say, he is here.
O buradadır.
Point and say, it's him, her, that one.
Odur.
Say, we are.
Bizik.
Say, you are, plural, formal.
Sizsiniz.
Say, they are students.
Onlar tələbədirlər.
Name the base verb, to be.
Olmaq.
Culture tip. A line you already know, now in Azerbaijani style. Shakespeare's famous question lives beautifully in Azerbaijani as.
Olmaq ya olmamaq.
Whisper it once, then smile, you just used the core verb.
Olmaq.
Like a pro. Lightning quiz. Quick questions, quick wins. Answer out loud. Q1. English, to be, in Azerbaijani? A.
Olmaq.
Q2. say, I am. A.
Menem.
Q3. Pattern 4, you're, singular. A.
Sen.
Q4. He is a doctor. A.
O hekimdir.
Q5. We are, at the door. A.
Bizik.
Q6. Plural, you're, when announcing winners. A.
Sizsiniz.
Q7. Point at a group and say, they are. A.
Onlar.
Your mini challenge. Now you drive, short lines, big confidence. Introduce yourself through a door.
Menem.
Exclamation mark quote. Tell a friend they're ready.
Sen hazırsan.
Dot quote. Confirm the person on stage.
Odur.
Dot quote. Cheer your team.
Bizik.
Then point to the other team.
Onlar.
Exclamation mark quote. Bonus. Say the base verb and smile.
Olmaq.
Dot quote. Thanks and next steps. You did great, keep the momentum going. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo today. Practice these lines twice more and you'll feel them click.
Menem. Sen. Odur.
Slash.
O. Bizik. Sizsiniz. Onlar.
And the base.
Olmaq.
For more lessons, quizzes, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, and yes, the winners are
Sizsiniz.